I think it's about 10 years now I've been an Autologic customer.
I've been an Autologic customer for at least 10 years.
I bought my first Autologic unit in 2007, I believe.
Been an Autologic customer for, I think, since Autologic came out, so 20 years or more.
Both online technical support and over the phone technical support is very important.
Tech support is absolutely essential. These cars are just way, way too complicated. Even if you're a specialist and you're only working on one car, you have to have, or at least you should have, someone to talk to when you run into a problem.
Moving into the future, yeah, you need to embrace the new technology and the diagnostics equipment and some of the things, learning from the older techs as I have. We got to move forward. Scopes, it's just the technology is surpassing some of the older equipment.
The automotive industry is not an industry that you can do by yourself. That's impossible. I mean, back in 1982, when I started as a shop owner, you could, for the most part, get along by yourself. But today, with the advent of all the computerization that we have, not a chance. There's just too much programming. There's just too much information that has to be accumulated, analyzed. No, you've got to have help.
They've been doing tons of great things for a lot of shops, especially in the last 24 months that we definitely see. And they're definitely making a commitment to the industry in terms of technical knowledge and putting on events like this where we can actually grow as an industry by connecting with each other.